here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. Okay, people, welcome again to my channel. Hope you hit the subscribe button and you like and share. So, are you interested in the keto diet and would like to get some recipes? Well, I'll put my link in the comment section and you can try all these recipes, or you can inbox me for the details. Okay, so for all the fancy recipes, if you want to try the keto diet, yeah, this is the right place for you to come. We got all the keto recipes for you. Yeah. And when you go to this website, you'll get all the information about your keto gift package. Yes. All your keto diet. All the information you need, all the recipes, and to help you maintain the keto diet. It's very interesting, it's very informative. Just get in touch with me by inbox, or I'll also put the link in the comment section.